Hello everyone, I'm come back with another video of my Citroen Czero. No matter how much job I'm gonna do it, how much improve I'm gonna try, that car still gonna look a little bit ugly, but don't worry, I'm gonna keep pushing just to make it look a little bit better. On this video, I'm gonna show you how I replace the door hinge. The only reason why I need to do that job because every time when I'm open door, they just fly open. They don't have any like stop gap checks, if you know what I mean. It's very easy job, just plug and play. You can find one of them on the eBay, which is cost 20 quid. 3 screws to remove door hinge, 3 screws to remove the door card, and then you have very easy access. On this video, I will show you as well how I'm remove the door handle, and I'm gonna take apart all the pieces just to get better access for the wrapping. So my finish will be look much better. I hope this video is gonna help some of you in the future if you're gonna face the same problem. If not, just enjoy to watch and the music. Bye bye!
Stai calato, storia le mare.